Form 111 bend bow to shoot tiger. Bagua Taiji's, bending the bow to shoot the tiger. The front hand thrusts forward. The rear hand pulls like a bow, pulling backward, creating a pair of opposing forces. Now I will demonstrate. Following the previous form, the left hand thrusts forward. The right elbow pulls back, creating a contradictory force. Now I will demonstrate again. Form 112 step forward and punch down, and Form 113 covering punch. These two movements connect closely. I will explain this part here. Following the previous form, bend bow to shoot tiger. Step forward with the left, strike down with a planting punch. Leading with head, strike forward with a covering punch. Now I will demonstrate it again.